Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to export bookmarks in Google Chrome. First step is open Google Chrome browser. Then click three horizontal dots. It's in the top right corner of the window. Then select Bookmark. Click Bookmark Manager. It's in the pop-out window. Doing so opens the Bookmarks Manager in a new tab. Open the Bookmarks menu. Click Export Bookmarks. Type in the name for your bookmarks files. Then select a save location and then click Save. It's in the bottom right corner of the window. There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.